Method 1. Install from my purchase in App Store. Before introducing this way of installing an old version of the app, we need to make it clear that this method does not cover those apps you don't have bought before. Only if the app is on your Apple ID, not limited to your iDevice. If you're running an iOS version older than iOS 11, go to Purchased at the bottom of the App Store. If you're using an iOS 11, go to App Store and tap the circle face on the upper right corner of the page to find My Purchase. Here you can see all the apps you have bought before. Find the app you want to install and tap the cloud icon on the right side to download it back to your device. If the developer of this app has left an older version on Apple's app server, there will be a pop-up prompt that states that there is an older version of the app that is compatible with your device. Would you like to download this version now? You're going to tap Yes to install an old version of the app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Then method 2, install old version of app file from other websites. You can also get back APK files from other reliable websites, which collect a large number of old APK files. Here, we'd like to introduce a group of impressive websites where you can grab the old version of the app according to your needs. So you can go to either APK Pure, APK for Fun, APK Mirror, or Up to Down to get the older version of the apps. And there you go.